Alright, andito na naman tayo sa Sir Moy Tutorials. Ang topic, the subject is differential calculus. So, dito, we'll be solving a problem, no? So, um, na nag-involve ng maxima, minima. Okay, so, the problem is ito. Okay, so, let me read the problem. The LRT trolley system, 4 miles long, is fed by two substations that generate 420 and 410 volts respectively. The resistance of go and return is 0.05 ohm per mile. The train draws a constant current of 300 amperes while in motion. What are the currents by the two substations if train is at distance of minimum potential? Okay, so yung itong problem na to, may maraming variations to, no? Okay, so some are more on purely electrical circuits lang, no? So ibig kong sabihin, um, given na yung distance, no? So you just have to solve for the resistance. Then once you get the resistance, okay na. So mas madali nang mag-solve ng currents, no, supplied by both of the substations. Okay, but in this case we still need to get that to solve that distance. Okay, so where the potential or the voltage across the trolley is minimum. Okay, so ganito yung hitsura or drawing ng ating trolley system. Okay, so meron tayong trolley or train, okay, supplied by two substations. Now, substation, tawagin natin substation A and the substation B. Okay, distance is 4 miles. Okay, now, yung trolley natin, so assume natin yung distance niya from substation A is X. So, therefore, yung natira sa 4 miles is 4 minus X. No, yun yung distance ni trolley sa substation B. Okay, now, so, yung equivalent circuit ng ating trolley system looks like this. Okay? So, balik rin natin yung yung position ni yung direction ni tama na yan. Okay, so yung direction ni I1 is papunta doon. Okay, papunta sa trolley. Si I2 naman papunta din sa trolley. Okay, yung current drawn by the trolley is 300 amperes, combination of I1 and I2. Now, voltage supplied ni substation A is 420. Dito naman kay substation B is 410 volts. Okay, so the voltage across the trolley is equal to BT. Okay, so that is still unknown, no? So we have to have an equation, no? So involving BT para makuha natin yung minimum value niya. Okay? So but first, we have to get the value of R1 in terms of X, no? So ano yung resistance? Resistance is given yung unit resistance na naka-ohm per mile. So therefore, multiply natin yung distance in miles, okay, para makuha natin yung equivalent resistance. Okay, so ganito. Okay. So first for resistance R1. Okay, so distance niya is X. So therefore yung resistance R1 okay, is equals to the unit resistance of 0.05, okay, times the distance of X. Okay, so it follows yung sa R2 naman, R2 is equals to the unit resistance 0.05 times its distance na yung natira. So 4 minus X. Okay, or distributing this will give us 0.2 minus 0.05 X. Okay, next thing to do is to get the yung gagamitin natin na method dito is the nodal system. Okay? So, kailangan tayong makakuha ng equation ni I1 in terms of the voltages and the resistance. Okay? So, yung I1 is equal to the voltage across R1 divided by R1. Okay? Yung R1, meron na tayo. Okay? Yung voltage na lang. How do you get the voltage? That is the difference between the potential at this point and this point. Okay? Potential dito is 420 volts. Okay? Yung potential naman dito is from this point to this point is equal to VT. Okay? So, therefore, yung I1, okay, I1 is equals to EA na 420 minus the VT divided by the resistance of yung R1, 0.05x. Okay? So, it follows yung I2 is equals to sa kabilang side naman. So, yung supply ni substation B, 410 minus VT, okay, over the resistance of 0.2 minus 0.05x. Okay, so meron tayong equation involving I1 and VT and I2 and VT. Okay, so from KCL, no? KCL. Okay, so dun sa junction na or sa node natin, okay, so we have I1 plus I2 is equals to the total current of 300 amperes. So I1 plus I2 is equals to 300. Okay, substituting this and this dito, so we will have 420, okay, O minus BT over 0.05x, okay, plus 410 minus BT over 0.2 minus 0.05x equals 300. Okay. So, simplify na lang natin, no? Okay, to solve for solving for BT. But first, distribute this denominator here. Okay, sa dalawa. Ito din. Then, magiging ganyan. No, 420 over 0.05x. Okay, minus BT over 0.05x. Okay, plus 410 over 0.2 minus 0.05x, then minus BT over 0.2 minus 0.05x equals 300. Okay, then etong terms involving BT, transpose the other side. Itong constant, transpose dito sa left side. So, what we have is 420 over 0.05x plus 410 over 0.2 minus 0.05x. Okay, then minus 300 equals, so etong dalawa magpa-positive, then factor out BT. Okay, so magiging ganito, 1 over 0.05x plus 1 over 0.2 minus 0.05x. Okay, now to get rid of the denominator, so multiply the equation by yung combination ni 0.05x and 0.2 minus 0.05x. Okay, so we get ito, so parang na cross multiply lang ito, di ba, no? So 420 times 0.2 minus 0.05x. Okay. Tapos dito naman plus 410 times 0.05x. Okay, then minus 300 times 0.05x, okay, times 0.2 minus 0.05x. So, dun sa kabila, BT. Okay, so what will happen here, so cross multiply, parang na-cross multiply lang to. Okay, so you have 0.2 minus 0.05x dito. Ito din, 0.05x. Yung 0.05x dun will cancel. Ang may iwan is 0.2 na lang. Okay, so you have 0.2. Okay, so simplifying the left side of the equation, so you have 42 times 0.2 is 84. Okay, minus, ito naman is 21x. Okay, ito is plus 20.5x. Then dito 300.05 times 0.2 is 3. Okay, so that would be minus 3x. Okay, let's check. $300 times so tama, 3x, tapos yung sa kabila negative and negative, positive na. 300 times 0.05 times another 0.05 is 0.75. Okay, so we'll have plus 0.75 of x squared equals to bt times 0.2. Okay, so ito lahat, itong mga may x combine natin. Okay, then all divided by 0.2. So meron na tayong bt. Bt is equals to 84 divided by 0.2 is 420. Okay, so you have 420. Okay, tapos dito yung negative 21 plus 20.5 minus 3 divided by 0.2 equals to negative 17.5. So minus 17.5x, then itong 0.75 divided by 0.2 is 3.75 plus 3.75x squared. Okay, so ito na yung bt in terms of x. Okay, so minimize natin yung bt. Okay, to minimize bt, set b prime to 0. Okay, but first derive na natin. Okay, negative 17.5, okay, plus 7.5, okay, x, then equate to 0, then solve for x. Okay, kuha nating x dyan is 7/3 or 2.33. No? So 7/3 or approximately that is 2.33. Okay, that is in miles. Okay, now that we have x na, okay, makuha natin yung bt. So yung bt natin is equals to from this, no? So you have 420 okay. Store natin sa A, tapos yung 420 minus 17.5 A plus 3.75 squared. So that would be 399.58. Okay, so meron tayong x at saka bt na 399.58 volts. Okay? Then, next thing to do is yung I1 na. No? So, yung I1 kanina is equals to 420 minus yung BT na 399.58 over 0.05 of X na 2.33. Okay? So, store ko sa B. Then, 420 minus alpha B over 0.05 A. So, that would be 175. Okay, exactly 175 kung hindi kayo magra-round off. 175 amperes. So, it follows, yung I2 natin is equals to, since dun sa node natin, I1 plus I2 is equals to 300. So, therefore, yung I2, okay, is equals to 300 minus 175. Okay, so that would be 125 amperes. Okay, so the answer now is 175 and 125 amperes. So therefore, that is letter A. Right. Okay, so yan. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless everyone.